Hey guys, today we're going to be learning something new, but in order to learn something new, we have to review something that was old. So we're going to look at the most boring measure ever with our 4 quarter notes. We're going to write in our counts, which we have a big 1, a big 2, a big 3, and a big 4. How we would count this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, today we're going to learn something called half notes. A half note is basically combining 2 quarter notes. So we're going to take these 2 quarter notes here and combine them. So in place of those 2 quarter notes, I can just put 1 half note. So I'm going to erase that and draw a half note. So it's a circle, open, not colored in, and a stem. The stems can be up or down. Now, if you look, what happened to beat 2? It didn't disappear. It simply went inside of the first note, that half note. So we're going to make it a little 2, emphasizing that it's not its own note anymore. It's part of the first note, beat 1. And how we would count this is 1, 3, 4. Okay, so if you notice, it's 2 beats worth, 4 pulses worth. It was quite long compared to what we've been doing. So we're going to go over to the chart and add our half note up on this side. So it's an open oval with a stem. The stem can be up or down. It's a half note, half. It's worth 2 beats because we combine 2 quarter notes. It's worth 4 pulses because we're going to double the amount. We doubled this is going to be doubled. And then the rest looks like a top hat. So we're gonna start with a line, horizontal, and draw a little box on top of it and color it in. So that's the half rest, and it's the same amount of time, still 2 beats, still worth 4 pulses. You're just not gonna hear it. Alrighty, so coming back to our example, I want you to find, let's see, measure 25 on your chart 2. On that chart, we have a half note and a half rest. So I'm going to erase that, put the half rest here, color it in, and you're looking at measure 25. We're going to rewrite the counts. So we already knew that beat 1 is here, the 2 is inside of beat 1. Now for rests, we know we have to have little notes with strikes. So beat 3 is here and beat 4 is here. They're both little because they're going to be rests, but since it's a rest, we're going to cross out those numbers. So here's how this would sound. 1. So there's no sound on beat 3 and 4. Now look at the top of chart 2. We're going to write the definition at the top. So I've already written it. Go to the top left-hand corner. Draw yourself an oval with a stem. Up or down is fine. Your half note equals, and down here with the half note, your foot is going down, up, while that half note is happening. So it's 2 taps down and your toe is gonna go up 2 times. Then when your toe comes back, it would be the next note. So half note, your foot taps, equals 2 beats, which is in our chart, equals 4 pulses, which we also put in our chart, and equals your top hat / your half rest. So your job is to be practicing chart 2 and be ready to do an assignment on that.